Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this creative Microsoft Word tutorial, we will learn how to draw a 3D pyramid in Word using Shapes and SmartArt tools. This is perfect for creating hierarchy diagrams, business presentations, educational project, infographics and process chart. If you want to make your Word document look more professional and visually impressive, this tutorial is for you. So let's get started. At first you have to open your document. Now I am go down on my document and choose a blank page, then go to the insert menu, click the smart art option. Now I find the pyramid smart art. Go to the pyramid section and we can see here the pyramid mini smart art. Now I am select the segment pyramid, or you can choose the single basic pyramid, click OK. Then delete the text box. Otherwise go to the design menu, select another style and go to the format menu and change the shape fill color. Here many color of the pyramid. You can add the shape or add the text pen easily. You can add more than shape. At first you remove the text shape, then add the shape here. Now you can see we add the 3D pyramid easily. You can go back the design menu and choose the 3D option, then the pyramid style is 3D. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.